Nice. Hello people, so I just took delivery of this new rebuild, the Mercedes-Benz E400 convertible. I always wanted a convertible car, and it's pretty heat in the back side. I see this. Yeah, I'll have to take it in the shop and make the inspection, see what it has. This is a pretty good heat. No airbag deployed. No airbags deployed. It got deployed this. I know nothing about this kind of stuff. It's gonna be the first time. So this is the car. Let's see if it starts. I wanna go and put it on the elevator. Nice interior. Yeah. The battery is dead. Not just dead. Left the dimension. Okay, let's press the boost button. Let's see if it got enough juice to start. Yeah, it has enough. I've been missing of YouTube because of too much work, because I don't do cars full time. I'm just like a hobby of mine. And I have a baby now, everything is easier, so we'll see what's gonna be about. Yes, but life is good, God is great, I'm very blessed. I'm not thankful enough for what we have, for the hand, for everything. Thank you Jesus for everything, and we don't really appreciate enough. Nothing. It's just too good for us. Okay, so I got the car on the lift. Let's see how the undercarriage looks like. How it looks underneath, just a quick inspection. We'll see what's happening here. Oh, this looks very nice. They didn't damage it with the forklift, no. Just some marks here and there. Here in the front. Yeah. Just a little bit, but it doesn't look bent. So they didn't bend the lower arm. Okay. Yeah, so this only has like 42,000 miles, so, and I'm gonna see what should I'm gonna do about parts. I have to take everything apart so I can see the damage better, and I think we'll start doing that for now. Yeah, I didn't see the windshield was cracked. Other than that, you know, that's a risky stuff, just to, it's sight unseen, but you can't really tell everything anyway. So yeah, but the price was really good, so we'll see if it's a good deal. In my opinion, I think it's a good deal till now, but we're only gonna know when we finish the rebuild, when we finish the build. So we'll see how quick it's gonna turn out. I'm not in a hurry to do it, but I don't want to lose time either. I'm busy with work. Okay, let's start working. I'm gonna go and get change and stuff, and just maybe take the wheels off first. We'll see. So it's got really good tires, which I'm glad. The wheels are not damaged. There's like usual tear and wear. The tires are in really good shape. Really good shape. Got the AMG wheels too. Yeah, I'm excited. I know it's gonna be like a little work here in the back. Nothing that we can't handle. I don't have a frame machine. We'll see what innovations I'm gonna do with that. So we'll see on the process. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna try to take the bumper off. And we'll see if I can open the trunk lid. What's this about? Yeah. A bunch of damage here. Yeah, I'll see if I can prop it open. I think I have to cut it. So I just put the jump starter on the battery. Let's see if I can open the trunk lid. I think I can see the two balls that hold the trunk lid. I'll see if those will work. So I'm thinking to get all the harness from the inside. Maybe I can save everything. I don't know if the new trunk lid, how I'm gonna do it. Let's see, even if it's gonna take more time. I'm just gonna take the harness, take this inside cover, and we'll see if I can save the harness. Maybe I can save it, maybe not. So that's what I'm gonna do. These to come off. Yeah, victory. I got new shoes. I got new balls. No, I'll make money on these two, just from the clothes. Whatever I can save, I'm gonna save. We'll see later what we're gonna use. Nice. I need to find to build something to pull this off, to make it straight, just to pull it like a frame machine thing, which I don't have. I got some hydraulic stuff that I can use, so now I want to see if I can take this piece off, all aluminum. I see these springs, I don't know the system, what it does. Let's see if it's held only by this. I'm gonna try to remove this screw, then we'll see. So I want to connect the battery now and see if I can make the convertible. I mean, see if the convertible system works, not if I can make it work. Okay, so I took this off, the closer stuff of the trunk lid. I think it senses this partition open, so it doesn't work. I have to do more research. So I'm gonna try to find the pump design, like the pump hydraulic pump system. So now I'm gonna release the pressure of the system. I found that on the YouTube. So I did release the pressure valve here. It's like a screw. You can't really see that one there. Just go counterclockwise. This, I don't know how they called. They had to pull this, pull it and turn it to the left, and it's gonna be stuck there in the open position. Now I did these straps they provide on the handles, and you are supposed to pull this together, 2 persons or a really strong one. I don't know if I can do it, but we'll see. These are the first steps to have access to do this convertible manually. So yeah, so the engine looks very, very clean. They took the filter when they disconnected the battery. Let's check the oil. I should have checked it before I started it, but I was assuming. Oh man, it's clear like honey. Yeah, very clear. Only 42,000 miles. Really nice headlights. I have to polish this. I have to polish this one. It's gonna turn out like new. And what I'm really glad is the cover. I think I can save everything. This is like new. I think it was like parked in the garage all the time, in my opinion, the car. The inside doesn't look that good, so we'll see. So now I'm gonna try to do this, to take this off, flip this off, and take this lead part and remove it, but I need help because it hits this head supports, because when you roll over, if it's convertible, you need to pop out so you don't hit your head, even though you will never know how you died though. Not the best thinking either for me, but yeah, there's the engineering behind that, and it's a good one. So in order to make it convertible, to take this top off all the way, I need to lift this, and I can't because of the head supports. They are popped out because of the airbag deployment, because of the impact. The crash sensor felt it, and I think I need to get off here to start disassemble the interior. I think that's it, and yeah, we'll go from there. I think that's the only way now. I need to take it off anyway, I think, to have access so I can make it work, to make them go down again. Yeah, we'll see. Let's start working. We don't have time to waste. About to lay this down the top here, and this is a little push towards the front of the car. We left a few marks here, but I wanna put it so I can make it convertible again, and so I can work in the front. So now I want to take this off. these two off and see if I can do something about it. So this has a latch here. Show like a solenoid, and this is the solenoid, and it deployed and pushed the latch. So that's why it released him here. That's why it doesn't go back again. It doesn't latch because this is open. Hello my few followers, I hope you have a good, very good day. This is the car. I did work a bunch of it. I did took these off and latch them in place, release the roll bar function is now it's resetted. I just need a solenoid that deploys those latches, that releases those latches. The next thing will be starting to remove the plastics and do the body work and see, pull it with the mysterious frame machine. God bless you and have a great evening, day, wherever, whenever you watch this. Peace.